What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we have a special guest.
This is your channel?
Jordan O'Brien. Yes, intro for my channel, son.
What's up, you guys?
He's about to get a haircut by Nando. Knows he's hiding being shy today, but you will see him in the video. Come on, bro.
There he is.
You guys just saw what Nando did to my hair. Some magic. We'll see what kind of magic he'll pull on Jordan's. So stay tuned to see what he gets. Maybe he'll cut it bald.
Maybe I'll pull a Dre Drexler and go buzz cut. Who knows?
Shouts out to Dre.
Yeah, shouts out Dre.
Today what we're gonna do is a bald low fade, and it's more, we're leaning into a more classic look with Jordan's hair. Jordan has straight hair, so when fading up the sides it's a lot different than cutting somebody like Carlos's hair. Carlos's hair is a lot fuller, you can do a lot more with it. With Jordan's hair, it's not as easy to style forward. You kind of want to go with the hair growth, pushing it back down to the side. So what I'm going to give him today is something that will be very easy to style as it grows out, and will keep the shape that he is looking for. Jordan really wants to keep a lot of this length on top. He has great length on top, and he just wants to get rid of a lot of this bulkiness down around the back and sides. With cutting in this style, I could go down or I could go back up. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So I'm just working a little more cautiously with your hair. And your hair straight. People with straight hair, fucking, it's harder to work with. Okay, this is a 3. Now I'm gonna work from the bottom up. I'm gonna set a line, and then I'm gonna fade the rest up, okay, bro? Mm-hmm. And we're going bald. All right, so what we gave Jordan today is more of a classic bald fade. Literally set a line in his hair and faded from that point. I kind of shaped the back to a A-line shape where it's shorter in the middle, more length on the sides. So as the front comes down, it's longer. As the hair comes to the back, it's shorter. right? What this will create is a nice style as it grows out for Jordan, and it'll blend really nicely from the ball to the long crown of the hair. Top length is about, I mean, this is a graduated cut, so yeah, I would say about 7 inches, and it's point cut layered all the way to the back. The sides are longer than this back area. If you were to come all the way around and cut it evenly, it wouldn't lay as clean as it lays on the sides right now. It would kind of actually sprout out a little bit more, which we don't want. We want it to be able to lay down on the sides so he gets that really streamlined look, very clean, and that blends really nicely with the bald.
Oh.
How to subscribe to my channel?
Huh? Oh yeah, if you guys want and you like this video, subscribe to Carlos's channel. He's got all the hair content now. And yeah. Or if you want, on my channel, you can subscribe too.